What's going on YouTube? This is day number 2 of doing some frying with the Big Easy infrared oilless turkey fryer. So I've done 2 turkeys in this thing so far. They came out delicious, nice and juice and moisty and just beautiful. And now I'm doing some ribs. So I've got some ribs here that have been rubbed up with some Famous Dave's rib rub. And we're gonna drop this into the Big Easy. So let me get my little hook over here. There's a hook. Let's grab these. These are ribs. Beautiful ribs. And we're going to pop these into the Big Easy. And we're going to cook them in the Big Easy for about 90 minutes. So again, all I did was take these and rub them down with Famous Dave's rub rib. You can get that almost anywhere. You can get it at Wally World, on Amazon. It's cheap, good stuff. Great rib. And I'm going to drop these into the Big Easy here. There we go. In the Big Easy. These are going to come out delicious. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, here are the ribs that have just come out of the Big Easy oilless fryer. And these things are just coming right off of the bone. Look at how beautiful those look. Look at those ribs. These things are beautiful. And that's from the Char-Broil Big Easy oilless. Look at that. I burned all the hair off my knuckles. I burned all the hair off my knuckles. But it's worth it. Look at these ribs. How beautiful these ribs are. Char-Broil Big Easy oilless turkey fryer. Awesome.